We're gonna make my steering wheel go from this to this. Before we do anything electrical on any vehicle, always disconnect your battery. Make sure your steering wheel and wheels are straight. There will be a little plastic cover. You're gonna remove that and it's gonna expose this T30. Remove those T30s and then you'll be able to remove your airbag. Once you get those T30s loosened up, you're gonna come up here and you're gonna grab your airbag and now the inside of your steering wheel is exposed. Took this one off. What you're gonna wanna do is just grab a little flathead screwdriver. You're gonna go underneath this little locking tab and then pull up on it like that. And then from here, you're just gonna gently wiggle the connector like this and that'll free it up for you. Little ground wire right there. Just go ahead and disconnect that. And now you could set your airbag off to the side. Remove this white connector, remove this black connector. Now your next step is going to get a 19 millimeter and we're gonna break this loose. Before you remove the nut, what I like to do, I like to hit the side of the steering wheel and then I also like to pull it towards me. And as you can see, now you don't have to worry about the steering wheel coming to hit you in the face. And once you remove that 19 millimeter nut, there it goes. Carefully pull the steering wheel off. There's a reason that says top. Keep it at the top. This is our OEM, this is our new one. What we're gonna have to do is take the OEM airbag out and transfer it over to the new cover. And in order to do that, we're gonna take these 4 8mm nuts and we're gonna take the airbag out and simply transfer it over to here. Airbag has been transferred to the new cover successfully. If you are doing this little tab right here, I just had to bend out of the way just enough to get this to fit in there. All right, so the new steering wheel has been mounted temporarily and it looks like the OEM harness that comes with the steering wheel, it looks like it just plugs in up here. And then all I did was just feed the connectors through here. So then I'm gonna go get the cover. We're gonna hook up this ground. We're gonna hook up the airbag lights and we're gonna test everything. I'm gonna take the airbag connectors, I'm gonna push down on these locking tabs right here. And as you can see, we have our new ground right there. So from here, we'll take the cover and we're gonna push it in. And then from here, we should just be able to push it. I'm really hoping I hooked everything up correctly because if something's not hooked up right, my new steering wheel is going to explode in the interior. So let's hope it's hooked up correctly. And then there was silence. That's good. Now that my battery has been hooked back up, what I first want to do, there we go. The lights are working. Perfect. So now my cruise control button is right here. So if I push in, okay, let's just make sure. Yeah, okay. So if I lower it, yes. And let me see, I believe this is next. Yep. There we go. Everything's scrolling. Perfect. Now, last test. Worth it. Worth every penny. Like I said in my previous video, I got it from Alibaba. If you want, I will leave a link down below so you guys could go shop and get one for yourself. So, successful job once again.